Bone. What's up, everyone? Good evening. How's everyone doing? I was just in Vision's live stream, but now I am live streaming. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Welcome to the end of the live stream. Is this streaming? Yeah, it is. It says it is, but I don't see it. Am I live? Oh, I am live. Okay. What's up, GE? How are you? Let's see. We gotta look up. We gotta have Bitcoin and Dogecoin up, and we gotta look at the short-term targets. What's up, Flipcoins? Congratulations on your Billy. We actually, you can see we actually got stuck at resistance. So, congratulations on that, because you know if you had bought down here, that's around a 400%, and you're still up 270. We are getting stuck at resistance, but because we broke this, I'm gonna redraw this chart for you. I just knew that anyway. But before we get started, let's put up Bitcoin, and actually let's do TA on the 30-minute, right? So at this point, we're just gonna do ooh. $86,597 absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we're probably going to get another capitulation down to 84. And then once that breaks, you can clearly see the next target is going to be 97,000. Is that going to happen on this stream or not? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. And then in terms of Dogecoin, we're going to do the same thing for Doge, for Doggy. Wow, what a run. Damn, we are really holding 35 cents though, so that is pretty good. And then for Doge, it's just going to be, yeah, once that breaks, little to no resistance to 51 cents. But on the macro target, it still puts it at 75 cents, which is the previous all-time high. So we're going to leave that here like this, and we'll just kind of alternate back and forth. Let's check the chat, see how the chat's doing. How could you bail on the stream? I know, right? I was watching it, like, for the most part all day when I was working, but dude, he's been grinding, so good for him. What's up, Flipcoins? What's up, GE? How are you? I am good. How are you? Thanks for asking, Louis the Cool. It's been a long day. Greetings from Las Vegas. Greetings, Monica R. Glad you can make it to the live stream. Shadow, was that for me? LOL. What's up, Free Lightning? How are you? Glad you can make it to the live stream. No, that was for Meow. Oh, can't wait until this is over. Yeah, I can't wait until this is over too. I just want my money back at this point. Yeah, I think a lot of us that bought in for the last 4 years just want our money back, because every single position has been like, oh no, we're breaking down. No, OXC is going down. For what? Unbelievable. So yeah, I think we all want our money back. What's up, R2D2? Can you look at BTC dominance and Goldfinch? Yes, I can. Sanjeevan for 3. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. GST, PNG, BitDAO, Spell Token, and SUI. You got it. I will take a look at that for you. And then after that, we could take a look at BTC dominance and Goldfinch. So let's look at GST. Unfortunately, I think GST got stuck at resistance. But like I said before, we have resistance for GST basically the entire way up because we are all the way at the low. From the high to the low, we're not even close to the 236, so that is resistance on the macro time frame. And from this high to the low, we unfortunately got stuck at 18 and now we're getting rejected. So we also have resistance between 16 and 27. So I'd say bearish under this box. And then well, actually there is no more resistance, right? Sorry, there is no more support. So no more support, unfortunately, for GST. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We need to get over 1 cent 60. Sorry, we need to get over 1 cent 87. Once that breaks, little to no resistance to 2 cents 74, and then from there 4 cents. But again, it could always go back up and get rejected. So there's no more support other than these previous lows. So that's GST. Taking a look at PNG. Oh no, PNG is having a breakdown. That's not good. But no, actually, every single time we break down, we get bought back up. So for PNG, nothing's changed. We are still, actually, we are under resistance at this point. But for the last 3 months, every single time we've managed to come below this box, we've managed to actually get back over it. But every single time we got rejected. So we've been getting rejected from this box for the last 3 months, 4 months, August, September, October, going on 4 months now. So this previous low right here was in August 3rd. So you're looking at August, September, October, November. So August, September, October, November. Yeah, so December 3rd will be 4 months of consolidation. Keep in mind that unfortunately, there is no more support for PNG until, I think, what is it, 18 cents, 17 cents? 18 cents, I'd say. So if we do go back down, we are probably going to retest this wick before we either get a move up or we break back down. But as long as it stays over this area of support, this is still resistance at 23 to 30 cents. So not financial advice, obviously. Let's take a look at BitDAO. I hope it went up for you, BitDAO. No, unfortunately, what did we hit? Like $1 and then we fell off. Yeah, so we had a nice move, but unfortunately we couldn't follow through. So with BitDAO, we did get stuck at resistance. So from the high to the low, unfortunately, we did not break over and stay over 94 cents. We did wick over it. So if you did put in your sell targets at the 236, you did get 67% from this low. Not sure if you're trading it, but congratulations if you are. However, nothing's bullish until we break 94 to $1.29. And in terms of support goes, we don't have any more support until 53 cents, which we knew that, which has been the case for since you started looking at BitDAO. So yeah, that's pretty much it for BitDAO. Again, as long as we consolidate in between these levels, we just have to wait until it either breaks out or we unfortunately break support at 54 cents. So we just have to wait and see. And then Spell token. Yeah, so we're still over 7, so that is bullish, but we do have a lot of resistance. So here on the macro time frame, 309 needs to break, otherwise we're not macro bullish. And then keep in mind that I mean it's still holding the 382, yeah, so 307. So it's actually still over 307. This absolutely needs to hold, otherwise we are going to come back down. So just keep in mind at this point, as long as it's over 307, and it's nice because we did get a Bitcoin correction, which wasn't that small. It was still like 7%, right? So with that being said, as long as we stay over 307, you are looking at a continuation up. And I do put the next target at, once we break 309, which is the macro 236, it would be retesting this previous wick. So if Jay's here, congratulations. Well, not yet, but it needs to hold 307, and then it'll be super bullish when the market turns bullish again for altcoins, when Spell token turns bullish again. And then SUI. Wow, look at this beast. Congratulations to the SUI holders. So last time I checked SUI, we said 1618, so it's not even quite there yet. Nope. So 578 is still in play right now. And then in terms of support goes 236, which actually does coincide with the previous high. So I'd say as long as it stays over 223, 588 is in play. However, if we do come down, and if this area does break, then we are probably going to go back down to the 382, which just put us around $1.60. However, if we, first of all, we don't have to come down. Second of all, we could just keep continuing up to 588. And then third scenario is we come down, tag this, and then continue up, and we'd still be maintaining this huge uptrend that we're in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you so much for the 279. I really appreciate that. What's up, Eric? How are you? Glad you can make it to the live stream. Control token launched its tier 2 service today. Interesting chart action. Let's take a look. So yeah, control token still, oh wow, had a nice dip, but we had a nice little buyback. So yeah, so I guess the chart is still valid. We do have resistance at 209 to 201. Yeah, sorry, 1 cent, 2099 to 1 cent. And then as far as support goes, I guess the support broke. So if we don't break over that, we're probably going to make a lower low. So no financial advice, just my opinion. Let's see. I bought 11 Dogecoins on the dip. Nice. Can you do Zilliqa? Yes. PNG sucks, never goes up and holds for over months. Annoying. Yeah. Well, I mean, PNG had a monster run. Is PNG forming a bull flag? It looks like it, as long as it stays over 18 cents, then yeah. XRP went crazy. I'll take a look at that too. I'll take a look at AIOZ, please, and Render. I'll take a look at that. Flipcoins wants Bonk and Used Car, so I'm going to do that first because he always comes in here and he always super chats. So I'm going to take a look at Bonk and Used Car for him. So give me 1 second. And then we'll go down the list, obviously. So taking a look at Used Car, I was actually looking at this too. So taking a look at Used Car, we are getting a bounce right now. And stock RSI's, it's basically reset. RSI's more towards oversold than overbought, which is good. So again, everything's still valid, so this chart hasn't changed. Right now, what you're waiting for is we need to go retest 1 cent 40 to 1 cent 80. And then the next target is 3 cents 75, and on the downside 1 cent 11 needs to hold, otherwise we are going to break down and have a really big capitulation down. I'm not saying to scare you, I'm just letting you know. Hopefully, as you're taking profits on the way up, theoretically that would be a good time to accumulate, right? Because if you don't sell everything and if you sell a little bit, you have that money and then you could just buy back in, like in this case. And I'm not saying it's going to go that low, but I'm saying, at this case, you're looking at worst case scenario 2049. So if you're already in it, you're already in it, and then you could dollar cost average at like such a discounted rate for used car. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you. And then Bonk. Man, you're always in here super chatting. I really appreciate that, man. That's really, really, really awesome. Thank you. Taking a look at Bonk, I hope you didn't buy Bonk now. Not financial advice, but see, the thing is that with Bonk, we're already up. We went up 156%. Now we're still up 100%. So if you're in Bonk, then the 1618 target is still valid. So you're still looking at this previous high, which we didn't hit. And then you're looking at 302. And that would be around a 200% pump from the current price, which has put the market cap at 5 billion. That is going to be the next target on the way up. In terms of areas of support for Bonk, unfortunately 236 didn't hold, but 382, 236 is support that it absolutely needs to hold for any sort of continuation up. So you're looking at 403 to 4035 needing to hold, and we are in it right now. So as long as it stays over this box, the next target is 4047, which is this previous high, which is the previous wick. And then once that breaks, you're looking at 301. So not financial advice, just my opinion. If this breaks, then we're probably going to come back down like we've done every single time. right? So not financial advice. And then I'll take a look at Billy because I know you have Billy. So first of all, congratulations on Billy. Like I really, oh, it's going up again. Congratulations on Billy because I remember we looked at this like down here. So if you actually bought Billy, you're up 280%. And then once this breaks, we need to actually redraw the chart for you because it needs to break over and stay over 8 cents. We're over that right now. Sorry, we're at that right now. And we wicked over it, but we need to close over it. And then I need to basically redraw everything. So, yeah, congratulations. If you're taking profits on the way up, this is theoretically where you would take profit because we're stuck at a line. You would take some money out and then you would wait until we come back down and then buy more Billy, right? And if it never goes down that low, it doesn't matter because you already took profits and you still have some left. But you know what you're doing, so not financial advice, just my opinion. Keep in mind, don't be impatient because these moves take like PNG, for example, or like, you know, DOGECOIN, for example. If we look at DOGECOIN, that move took like, the consolidation took, so like we moved up in March and then this consolidation took from March until November 3rd. So March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So it took 7 months for it to consolidate and then finally break the high, break this previous high, and then we blew up on out of here. So these moves take time. So just keep that in mind. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I think that's all your coins. So thank you so much for the super chat. Let me know if there's anything else you need me to look at. I really do appreciate the super chat. And then let me scroll up and actually maybe I shouldn't scroll up because I don't know if like what about if people like leave, right? And then there are other people that are still here that are waiting for me to look at their coins. So I guess I'll do that like after. I guess that also like kind of prompts you to like pay attention because obviously I'm doing super chats first and then I'm still going to take a look at everybody else's coin. But when I'm done with the super chats, then you can let me know, hey, like I'm still here, like can you look at my coin, and then I can look at it for you. But in the meantime, I gotta look at Samo first. I think I have a chart saved for Samo, right? So taking a look at Samyet. Yeah, oh, we broke resistance. Let's go. Congratulations. So Samyet is on its way to 3 cents. But I think we have resistance on the way up. Yeah, so we got 0.5, which is 1 cent 30, 1 cent 60, 2 cents 10. But keep in mind, as long as we're over the 382, it's all these target. The next target is going to be 3 cents. So I don't even want to like necessarily. We don't need to worry about those small areas of resistance. As long as we stay over 1 cent and we're not forming some sort of downtrend, which it looks like we are, but I don't know if we are. Then you're looking at 3 cents target. So yeah, it's very simple. It's just that simple, not financial advice, just my opinion. But so far so good. Congratulations. If whoever bought the low, you're up 100%. So good for you guys. Oh my gosh. Hey. Alrighty, what am I looking at? GFI BTC dominance, please. Yeah, so Goldfinch. How's Goldfinch? Is it over $1? Yeah, it is. So far, so good for Goldfinch. I know we had a nice recovery, but as long as we stay over $1, it should be bullish. We came all the way back up to resistance, and then we got stuck, right? Yeah, hey. So we went all the way to resistance between $1.58 to 205, and we actually broke under it, which is actually not that good. It's not bullish at all. But on the macro time frame, you're still bullish. But keep in mind, first of all, whoever bought down here when we talked about it, congratulations, because you literally 2x'd your money if you sold. But clearly you can see we got rejected. And then on the macro time frame, Yeah, so on the macro time frame, a dollar $1.05, you know, I'm not super, it's not going to be exactly every single time to the penny. So that's why I like it for the most part, just use the range. So around a dollar. So a dollar is still, as long as PNG, as long as Goldfinch stays over a dollar, it's still macro bullish. And these areas of resistance are still valid at $1.58 to 205. But once we break below 105, I'd say it's not looking good at all, and we probably are going to come back down to the lows. So you got to do what's best for you. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Give me 1 second. And then I'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Alrighty. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance. Is Bitcoin dominance dropping or no? No, it's not. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance still 60%. Yeah, dude, imagine if it goes to 64%. If it goes to 64%, my coins are getting absolutely wrecked. Yo, Maddie Ghost for 20. Thank you so much for that. Man, that is a lot. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Wow. I think that's the biggest super chat I ever got. That's crazy. Thank you so much for that. Propy looks like it wants 90 cents. I want to buy, but look like insiders constantly dumping. Went with Brett yesterday instead. All right, let's take a look at Brett and Propy for you. First of all, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Taking a look at Propy, first and foremost, we have to look at the market cap and the fully diluted. It looks like everything's been released now. You can see they released the rest of their coins earlier this year. That's why you see the market cap being the biggest that it's ever been, which is 375 million. And relative to where the price was before, it is lower. So the price here was 478, and then the price here was it was less, but you could see that the market cap was almost triple or 4 times that, quadruple that. So the good news for Propy is, hey, hold on, my cat's wanting the door open. Hey, here. So the good news for Propy is that everything's fully diluted at this point. So there are no more surprises, right? The market cap matches the fully diluted, diluted. So that's a good sign. That's bullish. That means that theoretically there shouldn't be any more selling. But in terms of, I guess we could look at the TA aspect of it, which at this point we're not going to use anything prior to that, because I'm going to use this data because at this point it's fully diluted. They diluted it in April. So you're going to take your fit from the high to the low. And I'd say nothing's bullish with Propy until... and you should know this given that you wanted to buy it. And then we'll take a look at Brett for you. So I just want to let you know. And again, thank you so much for the 20. So nothing's bullish until we break $1.22 to $1.53. And then in terms of support goes, I want to say the 786 area support is the next area. And we see this all the time. You know, you see huge recoveries, and then basically we get rejected, and then we make a lower low. And then you get consolidation, huge recovery, huge capitulation, lower low, consolidation. And then that's usually when you see like downtrends forming, right, on the macro time frame. So that's why it's important to look at these levels and look at support and resistance. So unfortunately we came up, so whoever was in this trade, congratulations, but we got rejected. So if this isn't the bottom and if it doesn't stay over this level, 73 cents is next. So you know, if you're actually thinking about buying Propy, maybe, and if you haven't pulled the trigger, I guess maybe just wait until 73 cents, and if it never goes down that low, it doesn't matter because you have Brett. So let's take a look at Brett now. I think I have a graph for Brett, actually. No, I don't. Wait. Brett. Which Brett are you talking about? Oh yeah, this Brett, right? Maddie, is this the Brett you're talking about? 14 cents, 1.41 billion. I'll wait until they respond, and I'll read the rest of it. How come Bowden come back to life? How did Bowden come back to life? Did Bowden come back to life? I'll take a look at that after. Yeah, so for Brett, if you bought yesterday, yeah, I mean, damn, I wish you would have bought down here, but if you bought yesterday, we're still over the box. So worst case scenario, around 10 cents, absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we're gonna go back down. In terms of, as of right now, it looks like the next area is 19 cents, and then once that breaks, you're looking at up to 38 cents. So you just gotta decide at what point you want to sell. But if you bought it yesterday, let's just say you bought the bottom of the wick, so that is around 47%, 50%, and then to 38 cents is around, let's just say for easy math, 200%. So you're looking at still under $5 billion market cap. So in terms of, yeah, in terms of it breaking down, it really, I mean, what's the worst? Where would I put my stop loss? Yeah, I would put my stop loss at 12 cents. 12, 13. You could decide. Maybe 12, just in case it wicks all the way down and it's like a shakeout. Where do you have your stop loss at? Just out of curiosity, I want to know like where you decided to put your stop loss. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now, from the looks of it, 19 cents is in place. So just FYI, 19 cents looks like it is in play. Bowden. Oh my god, yeah, I mean, it's not really back. We're just getting a nice little pump, that's it. I mean, these are gamble coins. You're looking at 2.9 million market cap, so... Damn, what's Bowden? Bowden is a 250x back up to its all-time high. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, Maddie, that's a good stop loss. I would probably put it around 12, like I said, so nice thinking on that. Worst case scenario, your stop loss gets hit, but it doesn't matter because we're probably going to go much lower. And then at that point, we're looking at 10 cents or 8 cents. We're looking at retesting this box, and maybe you buy back here and you're still making higher lows and you ride the wave up. So, yeah. Yeah, I did look at Bowden. It is up 40%. And again, Maddie, thank you so much for the 20. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Yeah, so Bowden is up. I mean, Bowden is up from the lows. It's up 86%, so maybe it'll come back, but who knows? Probably not. What am I missing? Well and ALB when you can. Thanks. You got it, Louis the Cool. I'll take a look at ALB. Thank you so much for being a member. I'll wait for 73 cents. Whoa, you're going to diamond hands it? You're not going to sell on the way up? Dang, you got some big cajonas. Cheddar. I think Mao to come back. I need Mao to come back to live. Oh, let's check it out for you. Oh no. Oh no. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I think he put, I think yeah. Damn, I don't even want to say it, but I hope you make it. I hope it goes up, because that's literally like a 60x back up. So that's like $6 grand. So that's a lot of money. That's 3 times your money. So I hope yeah. Oh wait, okay, yeah. I was like, wait, Brett, like I didn't even see a target at. That's funny you say that, because I was like, I don't recall seeing a target at 73 cents. But Propy, yeah. So if you're gonna buy, that's where I would personally buy. Not financial advice. I was like, 38 cents? You mean 38 cents? Because 38 cents was, again, still under a $5 billion market cap, so, yeah. What was it? You need Well and ALB. All right, taking a look at Well, Moonwell. I think it had a big dump. Yeah, it did. That's not good. Yeah, it's not looking good at all for Moonwell. So from the high to the low, though, we are still over. Well, no, actually, at this point we broke out, so we have to look at it a different way. 29 cents is in play as long as we stay over. Ooh, 4.5 cents. So very simple, keeping it very simple. That is a very big correction too. That's around 60%. So 60% correction. Last time the correction was 87%. But I think the last time we did we retest the 786? We almost did. So if this is going to come all the way back and do exactly what it did last time, then just remember that on the macro time frame, it needs to stay over. I don't think that's going to happen, but 1 cent 60, that's way too big of a drop. But as long as, you know, if it comes down this low, then, you know, and consolidating goes up, you'd still technically be maintaining this uptrend. And then once you squeeze up on out of here, then I'd say Moonwell to the moon. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Moonwell. But what was your other coin? Let's see. And then I gotta take a look at XRP. ALB. So let's take a look at ALB. Dogecoin is breaking down, unfortunately. We're almost at 35 cents. Bitcoin's out to 87,000. So nothing really exciting there. Nothing new. No. Alien Base. I remember, wait, were you the one talking about this like a while ago? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so for Alien Base, there's really nothing much to look at. Yeah, so bearish under 236382, and then support would be, yeah, so there's no more support until 618. So as long as it's under here, under this box, then it's bearish. You're looking at 23 cents needing to hold. And then once the box breaks and we break through, then you're looking at the retest of the previous high. And then from there, it's just price discovery mode. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. XRP for the wanderer, for the wandering man. I hope you're still here. Oh my gosh. Wait, is XLM running? No? XLM's not running. Damn, that's unfortunate. It's okay. Taking a look at XRP for the XRP Moon Boys. Let's go. Congratulations. Wow. So XRP, from the high to the low, yeah, the next target is 95 cents. After that, we're looking at $1.34, 205, and then we're looking at up to 677. Wow, congratulations to the XRP Moon Boys. That's crazy. And then you're looking at areas that it needs to absolutely stay over, 69 to 75 cents. Otherwise, we're going to do exactly what we've done every single time, which is come back down to the lows. Every single time we've done that. So very, very, very important area that it needs to hold is going to be around 70 to 75 cents with any sort of pullback. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. Just my opinion. And congratulations. RIP. Is Math Token around the 382? I don't know. That's a good question, Eric. Let's see. If it is, then it's still bullish. But if it isn't, then it's bearish. It looks like it is. Yeah, it's over its 382. So on the macro time frame, it's, oh no, It's not. It is over, but it's at it. So we're literally at the 382. Actually, I didn't know that. Does support coincide? I mean, if we really take the low, then I guess, but yeah. So we're actually, the next area of support is, I guess, if you know, real hopium, which actually I think I used before because it lined perfectly. Yeah, so if the 382 gets hit, then we're looking at around 15 cents needing to hold, because does that actually put it at the 236? Yeah, that does actually coincide with the 236. So I'd say if we stay over 28 cents, very, very, very bullish. We're gonna fly up on out of here, and you're gonna give me all your money. I'm just joking. You're not gonna give me. The heck? Hold on, give me 1 second. Wow. Okay. So if we stay over the 382, very, very, very bullish macro on the macro perspective. But if we get a breakdown, and I hope we don't, we're looking at 15 to 14 cents needing to absolutely hold. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Turbo TA, TurboTax. I'll take a look at TurboTax. I think BTC topped 90,000. No, because we broke 90,000. It went up to 93,000. No, I don't think we're topped. I think that we're definitely headed to like over 100,000. I think the fact that it needs to register that, because for the next 4 years, when we're in a bear market, people are going to be talking about, wow, guys, we went to 100,000. I don't think that people are going to not. Like, it needs to happen. I think it's definitely going to be over 100,000. That's just my opinion. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. It doesn't matter. We all have our opinions, right? I'm not saying I know. I'm saying that's my opinion. And you could think something different. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about literally selling resistance so we can make money on the way up, right? We're all trying to make money, so that's what it's about. Aerobud. Thoughts on Doge and Elon naming the bureau Doge doesn't feel like a coincidence. Yeah, I mean, it's Department of Government Efficiency. That's literally Doge. Can you look at Speedy on Ethereum? Yes, I can. Man, Shapeshift Fox is dumping too. No, I feel you, man. Is it? No, I feel you, man, because so is my coin. Fox. Oh yeah, she's dumping. She's dumping. I'll take a look at that for you in a second. Let me look at some other coins, member coins. Can you look at Speedy? Yes. I think I have a graph drawn for this anyway. So taking a look at Speedy. Oh no. So we broke the box. Unfortunately, we did not hold. We tried to hold it, but we didn't. Next area of support is 205, which is a big capitulate. It's like 50%. So at any point, it could reverse. And once we get over this box, then you're looking at retesting the high, and then you're looking at 9 cents. But again, this is a gamble. You already know that. There's very little TA I can do on this because it's so new too. So we're just going to leave the graph like it is. Taking a look at Shapeshift Fox. I'll take a look at Turbo for you in a second. Well, let me look at Shapeshift Fox first, and then we'll take a look at Turbo. So from the high to the low, we are over 4 cents 80. We did say that it absolutely needs to hold over this level. So as long as we're over 4 cents 80, it is still bullish. But if we break down, we do need to hold the 618, which does put us at 2 cents 80. So that would be very unfortunate. We would come all the way back down. And if 2 cents 80 doesn't hold, then it kind of invalidates this entire move because we're going to come back down and hang out here. But at any point, we could get a reversal. At any point, we can get a bounce from 480 and we could just go to the moon. So you just got to decide at what point you're going to sell or buy. So not financial advice. These are the targets for Shapeshift Fox. As long as it stays over 4 cents 80, I do put the next target at the retest of 18 cents. So it needs to stay over this level. 382 is going to get tagged, and once that breaks, you're looking at up to, you're looking at the retest of this previous wick. So that's pretty much it. GE wants Optimism. I'll take a look at Optimism for Mr. GE. So taking a look at Optimism for GE. I don't know. I mean, this graph, it really, I mean, it's very consistent actually. So I guess that's fine. So from the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break the 23632. You can see that we've been consolidating in it, and we've been attempting to break out of it for the last 4 months. Unfortunately, we have not been successful. In terms of support goes, I mean, there is no more support. I'd say the next area of support would be around $1.04. So if we don't get a breakout, and if we don't stay over or at least consolidate in this box, then you are looking at a capitulation down to around $1. Once this box breaks, I do put the next target at up to 488, and from there, Optimism to the moon. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice. Taking a look at Turbo. And resistance for Optimism is $1.50 to $1.90. So keep in mind, don't get overly bullish if Optimism is at $1.90 because we've been there like many times in the last 3 months and it still didn't break through. So just remember that. Taking a look at Turbo. So we did cool off on the RSI, the stock RSI. It looks like it's resetting. We are in the box right now. So as long as we stay over 2.083 to 2.09, which we're actually in the middle of right now, you are looking at a continuation to 1 cent 30 and then around 2 cents for all-time highs. If we don't stay over this box, the next retest is around 2.07, and then if that breaks down, then you're looking at 2.058. So pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Why is the market cap the same as the 24-hour volume? Let's see. Is it? That's a lot of volume. Yeah, wow. Why, dude, the volume is absolutely insane. What? What's going on with Turbo? Why is the volume 529 million? Like, if that was all buys, then you'd be going to the moon. So the problem is that there's a lot of sells that are happening too. So yeah, wow. Yo, what's up, Degeberry? How are you? Glad you can make it to the live stream. Mr. Yankster 007, Degen on Coinbase. Yeah, Degen's doing pretty good right now. Dogecoin, are we back? Is Dogecoin back? Are we back? Alrighty, taking a look at Degen. Taking a look at Degen on Degen. Yeah, Degen's running. Congratulations to the Degen holders. Whoever bought the Coinbase dip. I think it was here, right? Yeah, it was here. It was here. Whoever bought this dip, congratulations. So from the high to the low, next target for Degen is 3 cents. Once 3 cents breaks, you're looking at previous high at around 6.5 cents. From there, you're looking at up to 52 cents. So congratulations in advance. Keep in mind that with Degen, it needs to hold the 382.236 for a continuation up in order for it to be very, 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 very bullish and not come back down to the 786 and hope that that basically holds. So you're looking at 1 cent 70 to 2 cents needing to hold. As long as it's over this box, then you're looking at 3 cents 10. Next area of resistance is 6 cents 50. So from there, you're looking at up to 52 cents. So you're just going to have to decide at what point you're going to sell. So congratulations. And yeah, none of this is financial advice. Yep, maybe Robinhood listing on Turbo. Maybe. It's possible. If you could invest in only one coin and sell it within 3 months, what coin would you choose? I would not be able to tell you that. You would have to do the research, or you would have to ask me to look at the coins for you, and then I could tell you my opinion. But I can't tell you to invest in one coin because that's biased. I would just tell you to buy like the coin that I'm in, right? So I'm not going to tell you that. But if you have any coins that you're looking at right now, I'll look at them for you. Dogecoin's going up 37 cents. Let's go. What am I missing? Oh, you want to... Oh, I'm seeing something. Aerobud. Here, I'll take a look at Aero for you. Aerobud? Oh, it's a gamble coin. Taking a look at Aerobud. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I hope you're already in this, right? So taking a look at Aerobud for my Aerobud. I mean, there's little, like, yeah, there's no TA on this. Yeah, so this thing looks like it's about to double top. Yeah, so we're over the, oh no, we're not over the 786. So you're looking at 786 previous high and then up to 2 cents 90, which again, this is a gamble coin. You already know that. As of right now and as of today, that would be around 8x. And then in terms of continuation up, it needs to hold 236382, which would be in this box. So it needs to hold 2 zeros 18 and 2 zeros 25. As long as this holds, next area of resistance is retesting and breaking over 2 zeros 35. Once that breaks, retest all-time high. And then from there, you're looking at up to 2 cents 90. And my sources are telling me that XRP is pumping and XRP isn't pumping right now. It's still under its previous 84 cents pump here. But you know what? Just because it is pumping and it is exciting that we can watch this live, we will look at XRP on the 1 minute chart because everybody loves that. And then we will actually do TA on the 1 minute chart, and that will be really, really, really funny. So I'd say that next area of resistance for next target would be retest of 84 cents. Then you're looking at little to no resistance to 91 cents on the minute chart, keep in mind. And then you're looking at XRP needing to stay over 79 cents to 81 cents for any sort of continuation up to the two targets. So yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion, but let's see how high XRP can go on the live stream. So and on the 1 minute chart. And then, you know, same here. We're doing Bitcoin on the 30-minute chart. And then Dogecoin, is Dogecoin back? It looks like it's back. It looks like we smacked against 35 cents perfectly. And then now hopefully we go and retest 44 cents. And then you're looking at up to 51 cents, 75 cents, and then up to, what is it, like $4 or something, $3. So whoever gets that pump, congratulations in advance. Don't forget your small YouTuber crypto analysis. I might double up on Turbo. It's looking very bullish. Oh, I wasn't asking for myself, just was asking what would you do. I am buying a lot of Caspa tomorrow. Well, I mean, I'm already in my coins. So I have Doelan Mars and I have OXT. Unfortunately, I have my big position is OXT, which hasn't moved. And then my smaller position is Doelan Mars, which actually 2x, but it doesn't matter because I'm not going to sell for a 2x because I'm a greedy pig. And so is everyone else in crypto, right? Let's drag everyone down with us. And yeah, so like the play was OXT runs and then I could sell and then rotate into Doelan Mars. But the problem is now Doelan Mars is 2 times more expensive as it was last month. So I still have my coins, but it's unfortunate. Talking about Doelan Mars, actually, how's Doelan Mars doing? Oh, we're still in the box. Yeah, nothing's changed. Oh yeah, I was doing 1 hour here, actually let's change it to like 1 minute. That's funny. Taking a look at 1 minute, the 1 minute time frame for Doelan Mars. I guess we'll do like 15 minutes. Sure. So as long as as long as we stay over 6 zeros 20, then it's solid. But if it breaks, then we're probably going to go all the way back down. I think SUI is going to be pumping. Have you looked at Origin Trail before? I think, wasn't that the coin that got listed on Coinbase? Yeah, I think that was a coin that got listed on Coinbase. Look, it has a little eye. It says got listed on Upbit, but unfortunately, it did nothing with the price. If you ain't got no Doelan Mars, get you some. Get you some. Yeah, it seems like we're all just like in the waiting game right now. It seems like literally every single one of us is just waiting for our coins to go up. I know I am. And it's just like, it's so frustrating seeing, you know, Bitcoin at 88,000, but like some coins haven't even moved. Especially like the old coins, like for example, Litecoin, you know, Litecoin hasn't moved a lot. Damn, Litecoin sucks. But yeah, Litecoin hasn't really moved. XLM, I mean XRP is moving pretty good, but XLM really hasn't moved. Yeah, not really. And what about Bitcoin Cash? How's Bitcoin Cash doing? Yeah, so Bitcoin Cash isn't even moving, which is unfortunate. FB Nismo. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the end of the live stream. Thoughts on Jasmy? Let's take a look at Jasmy for you. Taking a look at Jasmy for the gentleman who asked for it. So for Jasmy, nothing's changed. We're still over the 382. So as long as we stay over this, we're very bullish. 0.5, 618, 786. These are all targets on the way up. So very simple. As long as it stays over 1 cent 70, 3 cents 20 is in play, 5 cents is in play, 13 cents is in play. If 1 cent 70 breaks, then we're probably going to go back down to the lows. Not financial advice. That would be very bearish in my opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple. Thoughts on when? Is that like, is there a when? Is this the right when you're talking about, Gary? Meow, I have some capital. Should I go large cap? Suggestions? I can't, GE, I can't tell you. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you whether, like, where to put your money. You have to, like, you have to be in right now, first of all. And, like, and I personally, if I had capital that I was willing to put in, like you, I would probably not put in money in the coins that are already up 100, 200, 300, 400%. But that would also be a gamble, right? Because the coins that are all the way at the lows, with any sort of big Bitcoin capitulation, those are just going to make lower lows, and you're just going to lose all your money. So, no. One volume doesn't mean one transaction. Volume is like the dollar amounts. So like say the volume is 0 and then I go and I buy $1,000 in when, for the 24-hour cycle where it says volume, it means that $1,000 is going to get added to the zero. So the volume is going to show $1,000. So the volume is the amount of transactions that are happening in terms of value of money, like currency exchange. So the volume is like, okay, I'm buying 1,000, someone else is selling 1,000, so the volume is 2,000 because it all combines. So it all gets added up. I hope that made sense. So I buy 1,000, you sell 1,000, someone buys 1,000,000. That's pretty bad example. Someone buys 1,000. Actually, yeah, that's, you know, someone buys 1,000,000, then the volume becomes 1,002,000. So I hope that made sense. What's up, EBG? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Chainlink will move soon. I think so. Chainlink's a good coin. Chainlink, I remember I had so much Chainlink at $1. I remember my coworker, he was in love with Chainlink, and I told him, I was like, nah, it ain't gonna go anywhere. And he sold his Chainlink, and now, you know, he's still working because he sold his Chainlink, basically. But it's all good. He'll be fine. He has Shiba Inu, so. My advice, man, I am super new and I put 8K on Dogecoin. I am 20, and when it dips, it makes me want to sell. At times I panic. Yeah, so Lewis, welcome to the circus. So the problem with that statement is that we've all been there. So back in the day when I had like 10K, I put all of it in XLM, and every single day I would look at my phone because that was all the money I had. And when it went down 5%, 6%, 10%, it was the worst feeling ever. I strongly suggest you not put all your money in at once, okay? Dollar cost average down, keep some money, and if it runs, then it runs. There's other opportunities to make money. This isn't it, right? It's not like this is it, you need to get in, because that's like when you get chopped up. So don't feel bad. You're going to learn from it. You're either going to never do crypto again, or you're going to keep doing it until you actually become profitable. Me, I'm a degen. I refuse to lose. So I will be here until I die, or until I make millions of dollars, which I feel like I will. But, you know, maybe one day. I'll retire, you know. That's the goal. Nice, small, super quiet life. I'll own a gym, and I'll literally, you know, that's all I need to do. Just own a gym, so I can work out whenever I want. Life goal. I'll make it a crypto gym, because why not? And I always talk about that. So this is my YouTube career. This is literally going to be funding my gym in the future. So, you know, I give it 5 years. I really, you know, I give it 5 years to get to 100,000 subscribers. My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers. And then, because I think the ad revenue at that point will allow me to maybe just do that for as far as work goes. But we'll see. I mean, things change and stuff happens. So maybe OXT goes to the moon. But anyway, how do you feel about Doelan? Oh my gosh. I love Doelan Mars, but we are, just keep in mind, Doelan is at support right now. So we need to hold over, and on the 15-minute chart, we need to stay over 6.020. As long as we stay over 6.020, then you are looking at consolidation and support, and a continuation up. So that's pretty much it for Doelan Mars. I bet it will be top 3 in 5 years. Chainlink? Probably. Chainlink is a good coin. But it's too expensive for me. That's why I'll never buy it. Yeah, Lewis, just the best thing is just stop looking at it. Don't even look at it. What did you buy, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, you bought DOGECOIN? Damn. Did you buy when it was up 400%? Like, did you buy anywhere in the last 3 days? If you bought anywhere in the last 3 or 4 days, then yeah, man, like that's very stressful, because you're literally buying a possible top. Sorry, a possible top. So yeah. Can you do Caspa, please? Yes, I'll do Caspa for you. Oh, we're still over 12 cents. That's actually bullish. So we actually, wow, we actually did come back down and double bottomed. So none of the areas of support actually held. So that's unfortunate. So for Caspa, from the high to the low, we are over the 382, so that is bullish as long as we stay over that. As long as we stay over this box, you are looking at retesting 20 and then up to 32 cents for all-time highs. Pretty much it. Just remember that if we do not hold this box, then we are probably going to capitulate, and if we don't hold this floor, then we're probably going to make a lower low. So not financial advice, just my opinion. So 11 cents, so around 12 cents and 13 cents 20 needs to hold. 20 cents would be the next target on the way up, because it would be macro bullish since it's over this 382 technically. And then you're looking at around 21 cents, double top, and then 32 cents. So at whatever point you want to sell, that's on you. Just in, Pepe flips SUI. Wow. I can't believe, man, I can't believe I missed out on Pepe. Ugh. Unbelievable. Look at this. People are retiring right now. What am I doing? People are retiring right now. What am I doing? You know, 27x. Wow. You know, you put 10K in, you take out 27 grand or 270 grand in 8 months. That's a pretty good return. That is a pretty good return. Oh, XRP is still going up. We're still over 80 to 81 cents. Bitcoin is still at 88,000, and Dogecoin looks like it wants to break down, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Oh yeah, I got to do some member coins actually. Give me 1 second.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah.
Oh, they did it again. Huh?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good night. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, look, our mail is always put in someone in our neighbor's mailbox. So, couldn't get over 4.5 resistance. Ishik 0x. Let's see. Let's see what the comments are saying. Oh, I gotta take a look at inverse finance. All right, so let's do that. I really wish that these guys would come to the live stream though, so I could just check it on the live stream. All right, let's do this. Inverse finance. Oh no. Yeah, this thing looks like it's cooked. We need new updates on ZK Race, Zerk. Yeah, I'll do that on the live stream too. What's a conservative target for GFI? I don't know. Can you do Steam Exchange? No, because it's not even listed yet. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Wow. Wow. Nate Bra, what's up? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Well, actually, no. We got like 25, 30 more minutes. Jesus Coin. Taking a look at Jesus Coin. It's Christmas time, so you would think that it's going up, right? Unfortunately, we are still stuck in resistance. So at any point, once Jesus Coin breaks 6.019, then you're looking at little to no resistance to 6.035. Once that breaks, you're looking at the previous all-time high, and then you're looking at 5026 being the next target. At any point, if we break under this box, then we're probably going to get a capitulation, and we need to hold 7076 basically. So in other words, nothing has really changed from the last time that we looked at JesusCoin. Do I think it's going to go up because of Christmas around the corner? Yes. Christmas is a little bit more than a month away. So I think that we are going to get some sort of pump with JesusCoin when obviously it's his birthday, right? So we're going to get some sort of pump, in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, what happened last time, right? Yeah, we got a nice pump last year. And really, it really went up. Yeah, it really topped in December. So I'd say the next time this does that and we go to, 5 cents 26 or whatever, if that actually does happen, which is a big move, it's around a 14x, then you're looking at, bearish for the next year until it's Christmas time again, right? We don't really have a lot of data on JesusCoin, but obviously if it pumps, it makes sense for it to pump every single Christmas. So it's a no-brainer. So I wish I had bought down here, but unfortunately I did not. So yeah, that's unfortunate. And then another coin that I missed out on was BAG, actually. Yeah, BAG went up like 10x, right? Yeah, it went up 10x, unfortunately. Now it's still up. It's still up 3x. So we'll see what happens. The closer, what's up, man? Can I get a BitTorrent check? Yes. Good evening. How's SUI looking? I'll take a look at that for you. They have a billboard in LA going up at the end of this month. Super bullish. Yeah, Christmas is a no-brainer. I see 200 mil end of the year, in my opinion. Dude, I need to hurry up and buy some. The problem is it's not listed on anywhere that I can actually buy it. And I don't use any like big exchanges or I don't use any swaps or anything. I only use like exchanges. So Coinbase and Gemini. So JesusCoin is listed on, yeah, so nothing really. Wait, is it listed on Phantom? Radium. Is Radium another wallet? Yeah, it's Jesus Soul. So can I buy, hey, Nate Brock, can I buy this on Phantom? Can you let me know if I could buy this on Phantom, please? That might actually not be a bad play. You need BitTorrent. What is this coin? Yeah, but is it the Phantom? Is it the Phantom wallet? Like, it's the app, like, you go to App Store, you type in Phantom. Is it on Phantom? Or is it only on Uniswap? I need to figure that out, but... Hey, is this the BitTorrent you're talking about, Gary? I'll check it out. This thing looks like it went to 0. Yeah, I don't know what... I can't really look at this. This looks like, I don't know what it's doing. And look at the volume. Yeah, the volume makes no sense. Yeah, this looks like it got, like, delisted or something, right? Yeah, I really can't look at this. I mean... Yeah, I can't even find it. Yeah, unfortunately I can't find it. Sorry, Gary. Good luck with this. And then SUI. Taking a look at SUI for the closer. So, yeah, SUI. Oh, yeah, we already actually looked at this. So, we said from the high to the low. What is it, $5? Yeah, 576 is the next target, as long as we stay over 236, which is $2.21, which actually does coincide with the previous high. So as long as it stays over 224, it is macro bullish, and 570 is in play. Short-term support and a pullback. Don't get scared if we come back down to 261 to 292. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, nothing really crazy or nothing new here. So what do you mean double check the CA? Check the California? Yeah, how do I know which one's the right one? Because what about, like, how do you know, like, which one's the right one if there's so many different or if there's so many different coins that are Jesus coin on there? Like, does it tell? I don't even know if the Phantom wallet tells you the price, so you can know. ZK Sync, please. Taking a look at ZK Sync for Jared Davis. Oh, gamble. Damn. I mean, this really isn't a gamble coin, actually, but it doesn't... It's on Coinbase? Wow. When did this coin come out? Oh, it came out June of 2024, which is... No. No. There we go. Yeah, so for this coin, there really isn't that much data to work with, but from the high to the low, we have resistance here, which clearly we've been consolidating and stuck at it for the last 4 months. So as long as it stays over this box at around 11 cents, it is still bullish, but it really needs to get over 13.55 in order to say that it's macro bullish, and you know, it's going to have its bull run. At this point, I just put the next target at the up to the previous high. From there, you're looking at up to 74 cents for all-time highs, which as of today is around 135 to a 450% pump, which would put the market cap around 2 billion, 2.5 billion. So it's not super uncommon, but for, you know, unrealistic to say that it could go that high because it's only at 2.5 billion. But I have no idea, and I don't know anything about this coin. It's fully diluted 2.84 billion, and the market cap is 500 million. So be careful with that. Crow with knife, buy the dip. Let's check Crow with knife. Taking a look at CAW, we are back in the box. So again, nothing's bullish with CAW until we break the box and stay over it. Unfortunately, we're back in it. So 7 zeros 37 to 7 zeros 49 needs to hold. If it doesn't, we are going to go back down to the lows at 7 zeros 26. As long as it stays over this box, though, as long as it stays over 4 zeros, 7 zeros 49, then you're looking at the next target of 6 zeros 14 being next. Which as of today is going to be around a 200% pump, which does put the market cap around 80 billion. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Contact address from CMC. Okay, so you got to teach me this because I actually really want Jesus coin, because I feel like it's a no-brainer. But so contact ad. Oh, so do I click on this? So I click on Jesus coin, and then where do I find the contact address? It would be. Would it be this one, or would it be Sol or Pairs? Right? So would I just look at the last, 4 digits or something, or click the drop down next to the MetaMask symbol? Go back. Okay, go back. Oh. Okay, so this. So this is the one that I need. So when I go into Phantom, this would be okay. All right, got it. So this would be the wallet that I'd be buying from, and that's the one on Solana, which is on Phantom, right? Got it. Okay. All right, I'll do that. I'll let you know when I do it. I gotta let Indian Kitchen know when I buy GSCoin too, because yeah, I'll let Indian Kitchen know when I buy it too. Damn, I really should have bought down at the lows. Ugh, it's so unfortunate I missed it. But it is what it is, whatever. Keycat. Dude, that's so funny. It's like my orange cat. Hey, where's Chester? Chester, you here? Chestnut? No. Oh yeah, Keyboard Cat's going. So what do you know? Congratulations. So box held. We broke through resistance at 205, and now we're literally at 1 cent 25. So congratulations to all the. We're getting stuck at resistance, which is double top. So keep in mind, if we stay over 1 cent 25, then you're looking at up to 14 cents being the next area of resistance. Okay. For whatever case, if we break down at this point, I do need to redraw my targets because all of their targets actually held. So you're looking at support at 236,382, given the current price. So with any sort of pullback, that needs to hold. Worst case scenario, we do need to hold the 786 for a higher low and a continuation up. I know that's a lot of information, but it is what it is. So yeah, updated targets. There we go. We'll save this and we'll look at it next time. So Crypto Craze, I hope you're in this, and congratulations in advance because you probably made a lot of money. So good job. What's the best app to buy these from? I'm on Kraken and it doesn't have most of these coins. Well, so first of all, a lot of these coins are gamble coins. So I would personally be careful. I only use Coinbase and Gemini for my 2 coins that I have. But I know a lot of people are on Phantom and a lot of people are on Uniswap. So, I mean, yeah, it is what it is. You got to do what's best for you. But yeah, I know Phantom's a good one and I know Uniswap's a good one. I know a Phantom is less fees though, and Uniswap is like a lot of Ethereum fees. So. XRP is breaking down. It needs to hold 81 cents. Bitcoin's at 88,000. Dogecoin looks like it's having a breakdown. So here, let me actually look. Let me see. Hey, I'm going to try to do this. Let me download Phantom. Or maybe, I mean, maybe I should just do it on Uniswap. I feel like the fees on Uniswap, like on the Ethereum fees, are just going to be so expensive though. Oh my gosh, is that a cat? Tails. Let me see. I'll take a look at it after. Taking a look at AST and NCT Polystorm. Oh, Polystorm's a good one. Polystorm I feel like is pretty good. Taking a look at AirSwap. Dang, it's just been consolidating for the last 2 years. Wow. Is this the full graph, really? No, it's not even the full graph. There we go. Dang. It's literally just been consolidating over... Yeah, it's over the 382. I mean, yeah, bullish over 5 cents 80 at this point. And then you're looking at resistance at... Yeah, 236,382. Once that breaks, you're looking at 324. So... Yeah, for AirSwap, a lot of potential. It needs to stay over 5 cents 80. Once this box at 8.60 and 12 cents breaks, you're looking at 66 cents. Next area of resistance, and then all-time highs, you're looking at up to $3.20. So, not financial advice. AST is, dang, 4 years, going on 5 years. Like, you have to have a really, really tough skin to hold this coin for the last 5 years, yet alone, actually, if you're in 2018, then it's longer than that, so. Excuse me. Let's take a look at NCT. Bitcoin's breaking down, so is Dogecoin, so is, oh, XRP's, there she goes. Oh no. All right, let's take a look at NCT. It's okay. Sorry about that. NCT, I thought someone was at the door. Let's see. Yeah, so for NCT, from the high to the low, we are just consolidating in resistance right now. You're looking at 1 cent 30 to 2 cents 10 being the macro resistance for NCT. Once that breaks, then I'd say we're probably going to go retest this previous wick at 5 cents if we don't break out over it and go to the moon. But, you know, you got to figure out what point you want to sell, like always. And that's pretty much it. As long as we stay over 1 cent 30, it is still bullish. And once 2 cents 10 breaks, then we're looking at resistance at 3 cents 20, 4 cents 80, the previous wick, 8.5 cents, 17 cents, and then NCT to the moon at $1.38. So yeah, that's pretty much it. No financial advice. Buy the dip. NCT is a banger. We going lower on Moonwell. You think it broke under 6 cents, but then it bounced back? Well, let's see. I already checked Moonwell, but I'll check it again for you. Yeah, so yeah, that's not good. So we'll just have to do this. 4 cents 40 absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we're basically going back down. And then, yeah, 28 cents is in play. So very simple. As long as it stays over 4.5 cents, then you're looking at a continuation up to 29 cents. And then if we break below 4.5 cents, then good games. Not financial advice. I don't know if it's going to go lower. It might just reverse from here. We just really don't know. So Crypto Meow, could you check Book of Ethereum on this dip? Also Floppa on base. Yes, I can. And we are coming to the end of the live stream, so just FYI, I'll take a couple more requests, and then I'm going to call it a live stream. So first of all, yeah, let's take a look at Book of Ethereum. I think that's Book of Ethereum, right? Yeah, it is. I have a graph drawn for this. So, oh, we actually dipped below. Red alert. Okay, so we need to redraw our targets at this point. That's not good. So, Book of Ethereum, it needs to hold the 786. Oh, I guess it bounced from the 618, but we need to stay over the 786 because you are making a higher low. It is very crucial. It absolutely needs to hold, otherwise we're going back down. At this point, the 786.618 area support is 24 cents to 32 cents. So as long as it comes down and it holds that level, then we are looking at a continuation up and a retest of the high. And then once that breaks, obviously, given that that was the low, you're looking at $1.45, which as of today is going to be a 300% pump, which just put the market cap under 100 million. So just keep that in mind too. And yeah, that's pretty much it for Book of Ethereum. Not financial advice, just my opinion. As long as we stay over the box, then 82 cents is in play, and then you're looking at up to $1.45. So very, very simple. Keep it simple. If you're trying to dollar cost average down, theoretically 24 cents. Like if you're already in it, then you're in it. If you're trying to pick up some more coins, then 24 cents may be a good area to dollar cost average down. Hopefully, given that you didn't buy the top, right? Because if you bought down here, then you're just letting it ride, right? So, and then let's look at Floppa for you. Floppa on base. I'm assuming this is the Floppa. Oh, this is so new. Can I even do? Yeah, I guess I can. So, taking a look on Floppa on base. So from the high to the low. Oh yeah, we're over the all-time high. So very simple analysis here. I'll keep this chart saved for you for next time. You're looking at so as long as it stays over the box at around 1 cent 20 to 1 cent 34, which we're well over. You're looking at 2 cents 10 being the next target, which as of today is going to be around a 50% pump. Oh, you know what? I didn't do it on log. Oops. Sorry. Delete that. So from the high to the low here, and then you're looking at 5 cents. There we go. And then you're looking at support at 1 cent. Okay. All right. All right, let's try this one more time. I'm going to save this graph again. I could check it for you next time. So as long as it stays over 1 cent to 1 cent 35, I guess that's still valid. You're looking at a continuation up to 5 cents, which as of today is going to be around a 270% pump. So for easy math, let's just say it's a 3x. So it will be around a $45 million market cap coin. Not too unreasonable and unrealistic. So that's why I say that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple. 1 cent, 135, 5 cents. If it breaks below 1 cent, then we're probably going to go much lower and have a bigger capitulation down. So not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope you make it. And then let's take a look at Solana. Oh, wow. XRP had a huge bounce. Guys, on the minute chart, XRP came down into our box and it decided to recover. So that's pretty good. Dogecoin still at 36 cents. Interesting. You know, it's crazy. Ethereum isn't even at its all-time high yet. That's pretty crazy to me. Alrighty, well, with that being said, I think that's pretty much it. We've been live for about an hour and a half, an hour and 40 minutes at this point. So, you know, we've got 23 bogeys in the chat. I'll take a couple more requests, but other than that, you know, maybe two more coin requests, and then we'll call it a stream. Thank you so much, you know, to everyone that came by, and Star Wars Worlds. Oh, Gala. Another Gala Moon Boy. Okay, let's see. Let's check Gala for you. So nothing's changed from the last time that we looked at Gala. So from the high to the low, Nothing's bullish with Gala until we break 3 cents 30. Once that breaks, I'd say next area of resistance is around 6 cents. In terms of support, you can see Gala actually doesn't have any more support. So unfortunately, you know, if we do go back down, we do have to hope that this is the floor. Otherwise, we are going to double bottom at the all-time lows. So we are technically on the shorter time frame. We are still consolidating in resistance. So as long as it stays over 2 cents, it is still technically bullish on the short time frame. But I'd say that if 2 cents does break, then we are probably going to go back down to the lows. So if we come back and if we bounce from here, then technically you're still making higher lows and you're still forming an uptrend. And then from there, once we break out, then Gala to the moon. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Can you check out Anita Max Win? So taking a look at Win, so we actually came back up to resistance and got rejected. So for anybody that traded that, congratulations. That's around a 300%. Wow. So congratulations, 300%. That's a lot. That's a lot of beans. So it's still technically up 100%. So congratulations again. But it is bearish as long as we stay under 2025. So we need to break 2025 to 205. Once that breaks, I'd say win to the moon. Next target is the previous high, which as of today is run at 30x. So that's pretty crazy. And then in terms of support goes, if we are under 2025, then you are looking at 3083 being the next area of support, which is a double bottom. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Crypto craze, good luck if you decide to buy. Just keep in mind you're buying when it's up 100%. So if it comes back down, that's 50% loss. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying you should take that into consideration. So do you think new mainnet being released on Origin Trail in December would be a very nice impact on the price? Excuse me. I think it just depends on the utility. I think that it depends on if people use it. I think that it depends on if the coin is being used and if it increases the volume in any way, if it makes people buy the coin or not. So for Origin, I mean, it looks like yeah, so for Origin, I mean, it does look pretty bullish right now. We are over the 382, 60 cents. As long as it stays over 60 cents, it is bullish. Keep in mind, we were in a downtrend, and then we literally broke out of it. So that's very bullish. And yeah, I mean, the next targets on the shorter time frame for Origin Trail is going to be 93 cents, $1.16 previous wick, and I'd say to the moon. So that's pretty much it. I know you're right. Yeah, crypto craze. I mean, it's up to you, though. It's really up to you. Can you take a look at HODL? Half orange drinking lemonade? Oh my god. You're gambling. What is this? Half orange drinking lemonade. Okay. HODL. Alright. Taking a look. Dude, that's so funny. Look at this. Dude, that picture was so funny. Alright, so taking a look at HODL, well, considering that it's up literally 250x, that's crazy. So congratulations to anybody who bought that. Liquidity to market cap ratio is pretty good. It's supposed to go to 100 million market caps and then 10x. Come on. Nobody knows that for sure. So I mean, the TA, in terms of TA goes, as long as we're over the 382, you're looking at the retest of 1 cent, and then from there you're looking at 5 cents, which as of today is going to be around a 14x, which just put the market cap still under 50 million, around that area. So, you know, you're looking double that. So what are you saying? 100 million, that's 10 cents, and then 10x would be $1. So you're saying that it's going to be $1 at $1 billion market cap. So although it is possible, as far as TA goes, and as far as like as the numbers go, as long as it stays over 203, then you're looking at 1 cent 20, and from there you're looking at up to 5 cents 76. So Again, Gamble Coin 3.6 million with 343,000 locked liquidity. The audit's done. It's mintable. It's freezable. No. Mintable. No. So it is getting green check marks. So good luck, and I wish the best for you. And I hope you make it. And don't forget your small YouTuber crypto analysis when you make it. And if you make it, then I always believed in you. And if you didn't, then I'd say that you gambled it away. Not financial advice. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Thank you. I think I'm gonna call it for the night. Thank you everybody for stopping by. I really do appreciate all the super chats. I appreciate you guys coming by and hanging out. Just as a reminder, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. This is just for entertainment purposes. And again, thank you so much. Have a great night. I will be live streaming. Oh wait, you know what? Tomorrow's Friday, so I don't know if I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow, or I might live stream, but I might live stream only for an hour or 30 minutes. It just depends because I do have plans, unfortunately. My goal was to live stream every single day this week, every single day this month, but unfortunately, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. If you follow me on Instagram, or if you look at my YouTube notifications, then you'll see that I post my schedule, and you will know if I'm going to go live or not. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, feel free to follow me. It's just Crypto Me Analysis. And if not, no worries. And Nate Bra, I'll let you know when I buy GST. I literally downloaded Uniswap, actually, like showing you right now that I downloaded Uniswap. So I'm going to figure this out, and then I'll let you know when I buy GST. Probably shouldn't be telling everyone, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to put in a lot of money anyway, so. Anyway, thank you again. Thank you everybody that stopped by. Thank you for all the super chats. I will catch you guys in the next